What we see down here are two workers alongside column reinforcement. The way they prepare the column reinforcement is not where they are pouring the concrete, but they make a construction frame and they use this frame to lay on it the reinforcement, fix it on the frame, and after everything is fixed, they will request a crane to come and lift it up to its location. So you can consider this area as the manufacturing area for steel. This is a column. You can see it looks like a round column or a square column. I'm not sure. It looks like a square column, and they are going to take it up now by the crane. You can see beside it here there is also steel that is ready, and that is for a wide column, maybe shear wall column or something. And the the laborer with the red hat is the one who is communicating with the crane operator, because the crane operator will not see this item now. So he really needs to be instructed, go left, go right, and so on. One of the very interesting and simple things to do here is that they never carry something on the on here except after they put two ropes, and two ropes are to control the rotation. Okay, what I'm witnessing now is that the laborers decided that they would lift both pieces together up. So they carried one piece and they put it on top of the other piece. Now they will probably tie them together and lift them both up on the crane. So they are preparing where will they fix the four hooks. This is a very 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 important decision. Is where to put the hooks, because they cannot actually afford any failure of anything that is being carried up on the crane, and the crane is very high. So sometimes I see them trying to do something and then decide to delay it because the situation is not safe. I think safety for them is extremely important. Uh, I don't know what they're going to do now. Looks like they are thinking, and the crane is still there. But the operator will tell the crane operator, for example, will not do it now, do it later. So in that sense, you will see automatically you can see the crane is leaving. So they have put two pieces on each other, and the crane is left. Now, logically, if I was to think also what may have happened, maybe they did this because the place where they were making the big white column and where they're making the small column are now empty. So they are able now to reuse this area again, which was used to make the columns before. So this may be also a reason. You can see there is two more there on the other side here. There is maybe two more columns also there. Oh, so the crane operator is going to go there now and maybe carry those two and put them with the other two. So, from my observation of the construction here, you see the ropes here that's coming down from the crane. Those ropes are usually very important because the first thing they touch is the rope when the crane is going down, and they direct the chains, where the chain should go. So it looks like what's happening is they're going to carry those two there and put them with the others. Now, I don't know if it is possible for you to see, but when they make those forms, they make them in some kind of a setup, and when they want to remove them now, they have to disassemble the setup which is made out of props, you know. So now what they will do is they will carry the, the thing, and then you can see this man with the yellow hat. He is dismantling the setup. So they will tie them, and then they release the the column, the columns shows steel, release it from the frame structure. Usually this takes a long time, hard work. You can see this guy is unscrewing or dismantling the structure. Then they will carry those four pieces, those two pieces up. Very interesting. Thank you. Yeah, it took them a long time to fix those column steel, and the operator now is going, the crane is lifting them up. I don't know if he's going to take them all the way. I think he's going to take them maybe all the way up to the roof side. You can see here, or yeah, looks like. So anyway, this is you construct you fix the columns down at the workstation, and then lift them up to the roof, to the ceiling. Mm. Still, he may add them to the earlier collection down here. So now there will be, he'll put them all together with the other group, and then carry all the groups together. One interesting phenomena here is those cranes are very, very critical in how much they carry. So how much are the weight of those pieces? Okay, it could be dangerous if they don't evaluate the weight. So you see him, he's using the rope now to pull and put the steel in its place. Yeah, so here what they are doing is they are putting four uh, reinforcement for more than one column together. They stack them together, and then they will carry all the group in one go up to the roof. Those two men are very, very, very active, and they've been doing unbelievably a good task. They succeeded in putting all the three columns and or four pieces together, and now they are safely going up to their location. It took them about maybe 1 hour to get all those together, because there are lots of pieces of uh, different pieces of steel. I think they were maybe five pieces, 5 pieces of steel. They're going up now to the new location. That was